can hear the honking voice, and I just woke up. The time currently is around 7 o'clock a.m. and my bed is all messed up. I'm a little tired. I just woke up right now, and yeah, we started to climb hill, and my brother is reading a book, and yeah, that's it, guys. It's been a really tired journey. We are on the bus for 14 hours straight, and it's a little tiring, guys. So I'll come to you in the next clip. Bye, guys. So guys, we are actually going fast on the bus, and we are gonna reach Kodaikanal in some time. And guys, it's pretty cool, and I'm really tired right now. I just woke up. It's actually I'm feeling a little dizzy because of the bus going round and round and round again and again. And I'll just take a nap and then come back to you guys later. So yeah, guys, this village area is pretty cool, and yeah, and guys, I've charged my GoPro, and the adapter is right there. My brother is charging his Nintendo Switch, and I've charged my GoPro, so yeah, it's pretty cool. And guys, that's the mountains. We can see the mountains. You can see that one so tall. It's a hill, and yeah, we are going pretty fast, guys, in the bus, and you can actually see everything because it's in wide angle settings. And guys, let's take a photo. Snap. Let's take a photo, yeah, guys. Taking a photo. Okay. So guys, like the trees are growing on the rocks, and it looks pretty cool. Ooh. So guys, actually, what we're gonna do is now that I'll see. So guys, now it's the morning. I just woke up. I went and drank orange juice, and currently the time is 7:54 a.m. Okay. And it's pretty good, So yeah, we are on the hill right now. Guys, I need to show you. Free Wi-Fi. And if free Wi-Fi is there. Scenery is so good outside. Sometime.
A few moments later.
I'm over here, and in this balcony area, which is awesome, and I can see the mountains view. So right now I'll be going in my villa and having my breakfast because I just came from the bus and I'm hungry. So see you. Like the clubhouse area or something, which you get all the stuff, and that's my brother. There's a printer and charging. It's an iPad and
5 hours later.
guys, we are in a place called Coker's Walk in Kodaikanal, and you can put this. क्या ये? Guys, we are so high. I can see the fog in the clouds over there and all the mountains. Just see for yourself. We are so high, and we're ready to go, and I'll take you for a walk. So yeah. Okay, so guys, we'll be eating some things on the way and seeing. It'll be pretty good, and also seeing the scenery outside with the mountains, the trees, the clouds, and it's pretty good. And obviously you guys are coming with me, you guys are with me, just see. So yeah, we'll be eating some stuff. Okay, so those are the soft toys, and we're gonna buy one, so let's go and see which one we're gonna buy. Arv likes the Pikachu over there, but we already have one at house, at home. And yeah, there's the Peppa Pig, the bird, the duck, the panda, the dog, the Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, the duck, Minion obviously, and some dolls, unnamed dolls, unknown dolls, and some heart-shaped things, pillows, some dog that turtles and stuff. I really don't get what's the use of them, but it's pretty good. It looks good. The panda. Oh, that's the minion. Oh, I thought I was gonna buy the minion, and then he's gonna buy the minion. Okay, cool. The minion. Lovely. I'll see you in the next clip. Guys, we'll be having sweet corn now with my brother.
Yeah.
They're making it back over there, and the view from here is awesome. We are very high in the sky right now, and yeah. So, bye guys. Guys, he's making it, but for making it more interesting, roll the cinematics.
A few moments later.
Guys, the whole road is 1 kilometer, and we have walked a little bit of it. So, you know, guys, being a vlogging channel is so fun. It's like you can just document your whole day. So, guys, as you can see that we are so high, it can become a little tough to breathe. Guys didn't allow the camera, so I just took the camera and tried to record a clip of me throwing my sweet corn into the dustbin directly, but just see. I failed. I literally failed that. So I had to run and put it.
ஷார்ட் தொடர்ந்து சொல்லிக்கிட்டே இருக்கும் எல்லாமே 10 தான். ஆனால் நான் 1 by 1 அப்படி கண்டினியூ இது வந்து ஒவ்வொன்றா தான் போகிறோம்.
சரி இதே கொடுத்து
எவ்வளோ அடிச்சா கிஃப்ட்னா 5 ஷாட் கொடுக்குவாங்க. 5 PK participant.
वो नहीं दिखेगा ना जो फूट रहा है फिर. नहीं देख लो, हाय बोल दो.
2 hours later.
So guys, we are in Dominos right now. We are taking break, and he's my brother.
for eating. We are really hungry and it's really cold outside right now.
Yeah. Guys, it's very cold outside, and we finished eating and just took our desserts. Arav also took, we both took the same thing. Now we'll go outside for 7 days.
1 eternity later.
Guys, we came to the arcade type thing, 70, and I just finished 70 over there, and the horror house. Guy. Oh, look at that guy. The horror house. Guys, the camera wasn't allowed inside. So that's why I cannot vlog inside. Guys, all guys, let's try this. I have one coin. Guys, I have one coin. Should I do it?
A few moments later.
Thing by pretending there's something that doesn't exist, but if you throw the ball up and spin it on your fingers, balance.
We're back, and I'm seeing IPL cricket, and I'm really tired. So like, day 1 has been successful, and guys, I'll upload this video and I'll meet you guys in day 2. Bye guys, please subscribe as well as like the video and comment, and guys, go smash the subscribe button. It's free. Go smash the like button and go comment down and share this video to all your friends. Bye guys.